What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? You already know where you're with. This is Marketing with Dom, and please make sure you subscribe to that button down below and watch this video to the complete end so you know exactly what we're going to be talking about and doing for Onlyfans coaching. So here's the thing. If you want to get started, you want to learn directly from me and my team, we are opening up Onlyfans coaching for $25 a month, which also gives you access to shout out for shout outs and also gives you access to my course that I am building out. It also gives you the ability to hit us up and we message you back directly. So I think that's really important to people who are trying to figure out how to use these OnlyFans because they have a lot of questions and they have no one to ask. And we wanted to be able to provide that information from what we use and strategize with the girls that we actually manage. And here's one thing. If you want us to actually manage you, you definitely need to hop into the course because you need to have a great understanding of what's happening in the actual market. What I mean by that is if you're an actor and you're a bad actor, I can't market you, right? So I need you to be very, very good at OnlyFans, understanding how to use it, how to use your Twitter, how to use your Instagram, how to use Tinder, how to use all these platforms so that we can manage you to make $10, $20, $30,000 a month. But if you're just now getting started and you're like, I don't know what to do, I want to ask questions, this coaching is for you. So it's $25 a month. The link is directly down below. Sign up and join the team. We are only taking 100 couples, girls, guys, no matter what. We're not going to go any larger than that. We may open it up again, but we're only going to take 100 students. This is our test student jump off. So I'm super, super excited. So make sure you get in the door, get your $25 and pay for it now because I'm telling you it's 100% worth it. We are crushing it. Due to the time that these videos have been up, I'm going to tell you that the chances of this getting filled up super fast is very possible. I have about 200 people in my DMs already. I'm going to be messaging them out. I've been doing this for about 6 months. So if you're watching this video, whenever you're watching it, make sure you go down below immediately and click on it. We're going to go over Instagram, Twitter, Tinder, how to use that, how to actually set up your Instagram to make money, where do you get your traffic from, your shout out for shout outs, how do you actually do trials, how do you do pay-per-view videos, how do you set up menus. We're going to go over so many things in OnlyFans that truly shows you how to make money, and it's going to get you to your first $1,000 a month is what we're looking to do, and then scale you up from there. So if you're excited, if you're ready to go, I'm telling you, make sure you comment down below, say let's go, help the algorithm, help me, because there's a lot of people out here not really showing and getting good information. So comment down below to help me jump up the ranks. Subscribe to my page at the same time because it helps me, and I'm going to be able to help you out because I'm trying to grow this page and give out the best content I possibly can. And I'm realizing a lot of people have questions, so I built this out so that I don't have to waste my time doing a lot of things that I can't get my time back for. I already run a legit marketing business at the same time. This is a legit marketing business too, but I work for regular personal businesses, and now I'm trying to help everybody on these platforms really, really grow. So if you're excited, you're really trying to grow and get to that next level, please make sure you join the course. Follow me on my Instagram. Say what's up, check mark, comment down below, subscribe. It's your boy DB live in that building. Let's go. Marketing with Dom. You already know we out here. We're about to crush it. For all those trying to get to that bag, you already know where we at. All right, let's go.